Hello, good morning, everybody.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Voldemort! Oh my goodness, who's that? Please rename yourself, Aparna, ma'am.
Hello, everybody. It's Smokin. I'm going to kill you all. Somebody stop me now.
I'm sure nobody can stop you now.
I am Voldemort.
By the way, I'm the mask.
On you. I will kill you one day, Harry.
Oh wow.
Here I am. Where's everybody
Oh
else?
God,
Come on, guys.
I can't stop laughing.
Oh no, this is supposed to be a scary one, okay? Not a laughing one.
Ma'am, Lestrange has also come.
Okay, we have Voldemort, we have the missing girl. I love your makeup, Dewey. Oh my god, Deadly
Wow.
Vampire! Slapping. Oh, Bellatrix, I love your makeup as well. Missing girl, Bellatrix.
Where are you? We need
Look
to
at
kill
Voldemort.
Harry.
They all look so scary. He's got those fingernails as well. Where's
I think
Mohammadi, Aisha Kazi, Yahya?
Voldemort ही है.
Great minds, right?
मेरे black color का
Okay, let's just start this. Missing girl, how are you doing? Who did your makeup? Yeah, missing girl, can you hear me? Dewey?
क्या?
Yes,
नहीं मेहनत से मैंने ये बोला था.
Who did your makeup?
as a singer.
Okay. And
Wow.
what did Bellatrix? Who did it?
My mother did the makeup.
Excellent.
Thank you.
तू इंटरनेट से सही तो ढूंढने लगा.
Ma'am, I can't speak properly because of the makeup.
Oh, because of that thing around your mouth. Oh, yeah. See, it's so difficult be playing a horror character, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Imagine they have to have all that makeup and all. Okay. All right. Come on. I think, how about introducing yourselves? And then I'll play a video for you all.
हो गया.
Aparna, you're muted.
I want to change my name. Can I do it now or should I leave and then get
No,
back?
no, you can do it right now.
Right now? Okay.
Yes. Who'll introduce themselves? Come on. Voldemort.
I am Voldemort.
How can I do that?
I want to kill the Potters and live forever.
Okay, we have another Voldemort as well.
I'm not able to do it.
This Halloween will experience the terror of Lord Voldemort. I want the prophecy.
Y'all are really scary. Yes, Deadly
Yeah,
Vampire.
I like apples and more bloody things.
He's eating an apple. I love the look, you know. Yes, where are the rest? Yes, missing girl.
And I didn't have a dialogue, but I have a story.
Okay, so we'll come to the story later. But missing girl is from.
It's my own character.
Oh, I like that. Bellatrix, what about you?
Mama, I don't have any.
Bellatrix, actually, I need your camera a bit down because your face can't be seen completely, or you sit a bit high. Yeah, that's better. That's better. Mohammadi, Aisha Kazi, Yahya, I need the videos on, please. Oh my God, Mohammadi, what happened? Did you and Sabia have a fight?
Me and Mama did makeup.
Oh, your mama did. No wonder. No wonder. Yes, introduce yourself, Mohammadi.
Ma'am, I am zombie. I will eat your burger and put it in my buns with ketchup and mayonnaise.
Excellent, excellent. Yes, Pennywise, where are you? Oh my goodness.
Wow, really scary.
Really scary. Yes, Anas and Aisha Kazi. Slappy, go on.
Now I'm a creature from the book R.L. Stein is my dad.
Okay, so we all have all the scary characters out here. Oh, brilliant, brilliant going. Okay, so let's see how scary you are. Okay, I'll just play a video.
Me too.
Okay, so do you think monsters really exist? Oh my God, skeleton! You look so scary. Yeah. Do you think monsters exist? No, monsters are not there. They do not exist, you know, but then also we are scared of them, right? We fear them. Okay.
No.
I'm just done.
Wow, skeleton, superb.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Skeleton.
Ma'am, what we are going to do today?
I'm at the last.
Okay. Now, can you all tell me what are the synonyms of
Moment.
fear and scared? What are the synonyms of getting, you know, scared or fear?
Discouraged. Discouraged.
Go on, go on. I want everybody. Y'all can just Google and let me know as well. Go on.
Fright, terror.
Fantastic. Go on, guys. Go on. Tell me what are the synonyms of scare? And tell me
Ma'am,
when you're
discouraged.
okay. Okay. What else? Go on, guys.
Ma'am, who is ghost?
Ghost, come on, please.
It is Aisha Kazim.
Yeah, go on. I want everybody's video on today, okay? Because I'm going to take lots and lots of pictures. Okay.
Ma'am, frightened, afraid, fearful, nervous, panicky, agitated, alarmed.
Right. Now tell me when you're scared, okay? What kind of feelings do you feel? What does your body? Umaira, you're scaring me now. Look at Umaira. Awesome. Okay. What kind of feelings do you get?
Ma'am,
When
I
you're
just get
scared.
a shock from the whole body.
Okay, you get a shock. What else do you get? How is your heart and what are
Ma'am, I get a vibrant feeling of the heart. It beats
The
very
heart starts bouncing.
bouncing or pumping hard? Yes, Anas, go on, tell me. Anas, go on. Mohammadi. Okay. So have you ever got scared in your life? Tell me.
Yes.
Yeah? Would anybody of y'all want to share your
Lot
horror
of
stories?
times. Lot of times.
Lots of times.
I hate horror movies. I don't like it.
Oh, you hate horror movies. Oh, that's sad. Okay. Would anybody
I am
like
really
to?
scared, but I like to see horror movies.
Okay. Is there anybody
I
want
like
to
to
share a
scare.
spooky?
I like to scare other people, but I don't like to get scared.
Okay, so you can scare everybody, but you don't like getting scared. Perfect, perfect. Anybody wants to share any real-time horror story or spooky story? Anybody?
Ma'am, I have one.
Yes, I have one, ma'am.
Okay, so Hamdan will go. After Hamdan, Bellatrix will go. Then the missing girl. Then the deadly vampire. Okay.
Ma'am, but you have to believe me. This happened to me.
I'll cross check with your mom. Don't worry.
Ma'am, I have
Ma'am,
a story that
before I start my story, anybody who doesn't believe in jinns,
Okay, listen, one more thing. What I'm saying is make sure your story is short, not more than 2 minutes, so we give chance to everybody else. Yeah? Okay, is that a deal?
yes, ma'am. Yes,
I
ma'am.
like the way you're eating Bombay. It really looks like you're a zombie and you're eating.
Ma'am,
my story didn't just
do
happen
we
to
have
me,
to
it
tell
happened
the
to
story which we prepared at home, or do we have to just say a story which, like what
Ma'am, I
happened?
prepared a
Whatever you're
story of my
comfortable with,
own.
Juvaria. Okay, so we start with Hamdan. 2 minutes, everybody, not more than that.
Yes, ma'am. Once when I went to the masjid to pray namaz with my father, so I saw a man. He was in a black, like he was wearing really black clothes, and the clothes were till his toes, like mama's burqa. And then after that, when we went ahead, he was looking at me. And then when we went down the stairs, he was beside me all the time. He removed his slippers beside me. He did everything beside me. He even prayed namaz beside me. He was smelling like bones. So after that, when I came up, he was like looking here and there. No one was there. He vanished, like he became dust like type. And then I asked someone, and he
Deadly Vampire doesn't believe you. Deadly Vampire doesn't believe you. How many of y'all believe him?
How could he
Raise your
vanish?
hands.
Hamdan, did you not see him when he was beside you?
yes, I saw him when he was beside me.
So how he went?
maybe he
And
wasn't
the same guy I saw
maybe
at the farm also. And
maybe
the
he
same guy
wasn't a
I saw at
person,
the
but
farm
you
also.
thought he was.
He was on the tree. He was wearing the same clothes. He had the same looks. He had long hair, and he was looking at me at the farm. I think he's coming behind me everywhere I go.
I think that
He
was
likes you,
I
Hamdan.
think
Why
I
I can see him behind you, Hamdan. There he is.
I think you thought it was a person, but it might be a cloth or something.
Ma'am, I'm very adorable, no?
Oh yeah, you are. You're a darling, Hamdan. No wonder even the jinns and ghosts like you. Okay, so Bellatrix, your story.
Ma'am, this story didn't really happen for me, but one time, my sister were having a party. We were very small, like we were 6 or 7 years old. So, we were having a party and we were seeing a horror film in this room. So when we were seeing it right next to the window. I was very scared, but I didn't go outside because I wanted to just see. So I was seeing, but I was not even seeing anything. I was just closing my eyes, and one of my mother came from behind, and she scared my friend, and I did not even realize. And when I got up, and then she scared me again, and I got so scared.
Oh my goodness. All right. You know, it usually happens when you watch those horror movies, and then even if you know, like you see some light flickering or somebody walking, or even the window curtains moving, you
Yeah,
get
but ma'am,
scared.
that comes in a dream, and then like in sweat, we wake up and see what.
I never see horror films. From that day, I never saw horror films.
By the way, did you see the way Mohammadi was eating? It was a perfect zombie impersonation. Excellent, Mohammadi. Okay, who's
He's
next
not
now?
there only.
No, he was eating right now, and he was
Ma'am,
just like,
after missing girl, I will go.
yeah, missing girl. Go on.
I'll tell you the story about the missing girl, how she became the missing girl. Once upon a time, there lived a couple and a girl, a small girl, and beside them, there lived a neighbor they were also a couple, and there was a small boy. So the missing girl's mother and father, they lived very happily, and the child also lived very happy. But the other neighbors, they did not like it. So one night they stabbed the mother and father, and they threw the girl out of the cliff. And then for taking the revenge, the missing girl, she got up from her death to take revenge, and she did not know that who really did that. So whoever goes to the cliff, she kills the mother, father, and takes the child with her. And now she has a whole gang of children.
Oh my goodness. You made that story? Amazing. Amazing. And I like the way you went with it, you know, went with that makeup around you. Excellent. Excellent. How many of y'all believe this story?
Males. What is a goal?
She said she made the story.
But then also, at times, fantasies are based on real life stories. I believe her story, things like these do happen. Yeah, even I believe it, okay? And then we do the dance like a skeleton. Come on, everybody.
Ma'am, can everybody show a clip of the all
Yeah.
the movies?
Can I?
The
Can
most,
I?
the
Okay.
most scariest part.
Yeah, we'll do that later because we need to finish the stories now. Deadly Vampire, go on.
My story's name is I Lost My Phone. Last night, a friend rushed me out of the house to catch a birthday party of his friend, means my friend's friend. And when we were at his house, after a few cold drinks and dishes, I realized that my phone wasn't in my pocket. I checked the table, and we were sitting at the dining table in the hall. I checked the washrooms, I checked his bedrooms, but I couldn't find my phone. And after no luck, I used my friend's phone to call mine. After 2 rings, someone answered, gave out a low raspy giggle, and hung up. They didn't answer again. I eventually gave it us up as a lot calls, and I headed home. I found my phone laying on my nightstand on my dining table, right where I left it. And when I went to the went to the bed, I took my teddy. Instead of a teddy, I saw a vampire. Thank you.
And that was you, right? Deadly Vampire. You saw yourself in the mirror. Yeah? Yeah?
I was
Was
not
it
a
true?
vampire that time. The vampire came.
So the vampire turned
How
him
would
into a
vampire
vampire.
do dance?
Vampire turns everyone into vampires.
Yeah, so I think we all are going to become vampire by the end of it. But don't worry, I'm Betal, so I'll fly away. I'm pretty cool about it. Pennywise
Ma'am,
looks
I
so
will
cute.
disappear in
Trust
thin
me,
air.
you don't look like scary at all. You look such a cute, cuddly Pennywise. Right, Aparna ma'am? He's looking really cute. Yes. Who's going next now with your story? Fact or fiction? Come on, guys. Fact or fiction? Anybody? Okay, go on.
Ma'am, this is the story of my mama's house. Once,
Abdullah, Mama's house means my house too. Mama is my brother. Right? So he's telling a story of my mama's place, my mummy's place, right? My place. Go on. When we were kids.
so when my grandparents went there, because they had to work. So when they were at the night when they were sleeping,
Ma'am, I heard your voice.
Yeah, I know. Thank you. Actually, he's sitting next to me only.
so when my grandparents were sleeping,
Just a minute. I've asked him to go inside. Just a minute, please. Thank you.
Ma'am, can you do the scary look again?
What should I do again?
Ma'am, see me.
The scary look.
Wow. And see me. Okay, go on, Abdullah. Start. Sorry, Slappy. Go on.
and then when my grandparents were sleeping, in the kitchen there was a cracked line on the tiles, which and above the kitchen they think there's something. And at the night when they were sleeping in London, there are geysers in the kitchen also. So somebody was banging the geyser. So my grandmom woke up and she went down to look. So there was nothing, but it was very the voice was coming very loud. So my grandmother woke up my grandfather and told him to read Quran. So he was reading, but it was not going. The voice wasn't going. And then after that, after Fajr's azan, the voice became the voice wasn't too loud, and then it stopped, and they went to sleep. And in the middle night also, when my mama has a habit to drink tea in middle night, so when he goes there, he they are banging the geyser. And once when my grandmother was cooking in the kitchen where the cracked line was there, she was standing just beside it, and she felt something going, and it was like it pushed her, and but she like she didn't fall or anything. And one more story, when I was at
Okay, no, enough, Abdullah. We give others a chance, okay? Right.
Ma'am, that
Wow,
was real
ghost,
story or
ghost.
fake?
No, it is a real story. This is actually there is something at my brother's place in England. Yeah. So that was a very real story. Okay. And my brother, my brother's wife, my mom, my dad, they all felt it. Okay. And even when I had gone to visit him, I also felt it. Okay. So yes, so it's a real story. I'll take you all for a visit over there. Yeah, in real. So we can Juwaria said no. Yeah, Juwaria, we go over there. Okay. Ghost, you look so scary, but you look such a pretty ghost. You know that? Awesome. Yes, Zumbi, you want to share some story? Humaira Qasim, come on, guys. I want your videos on.
Ma'am, can I tell the story?
Anybody want to? Yeah, go on, Pennywise, of course.
Once upon a time, there was an orphan. They were living in a villa. There was a rainy season. They were enjoying their play with the paper boat. I took one of the children from them. Then all of the other children followed me, and I took all of them one by one by my 3 red lights. Now I am full.
You know what? You guys are so creative. Is this real or fact or fiction? Come on, guys. Is this a real story? Real? I believe all the stories. Don't worry. I believe all the stories, you know, when it comes to all these ghosts and all, okay? And you have such cute looking ghosts that, of course, you have to believe it. Zumbi doesn't believe? Yes, Zumbi? I can't hear you. Unmute yourself.
I want to tell story.
Yeah, go on, Zumbi. Oh my God. Look at that vampire. Is that you, Hamza? I can't even recognize you. Oh my goodness. Awesome. Yes, Zumbi, go on.
Ma'am, I'm telling a story, okay?
Yes, please. Be a bit louder, Zumbi.
Okay, there was one castle, okay? A big castle. There was a king in it, very rich and very rich, powerful king, and he was very greedy. But then the maids of the castle didn't like the king, so then the maids threw him away. They banished the king because they because they they had the power of the soldiers. The soldiers also didn't like the king, but then they threw the king. But then the king had one spy. The spy had some builders with him. But then the builders broke the castle with the catapult. They made a catapult. Okay. But then after years, the castle, and then it was the modern life came. Okay, the cars and trains, all the things came. And then what happened that one day a guy was trekking, and then he got lost in the woods, and then he found that castle. Okay, but then when he went inside, there was no one. But then he stayed in the night. Okay, but he didn't come out in the morning. So the family called him, but he did not pick up. So then the family tells police. The police go to check, but there was nothing there, not even his body. So then the police think it is infested with ghosts. But then they tell that then a Christian look up. Father, look. Then they tell them. But then they send 2 nuns. Okay, so do that, all that purify, and then there was a door. When they opened the door, one nun was being pulled inside, and then then one nun said help, and then and there's all dark, and then she comes out again, but her boots crashed, and then the other nun is terrified, so then she runs, but then when she sees back, there is a nun that is flying, and that has sharp teeth, and that eyes like me, like this black eyes, okay, and then there was all that was a cross, okay ma'am, and then that cross tilted ching, and then nun she suicided, and then there was another nun, and then that nun goes to half. Ma'am, sir, who do that? White color ni nun.
Ma'am, tell him to say the name.
Shush! You're asking over there. You're asking home. Samiha or your mom?
Ma'am, it's like the Nun movie.
Tell the nun's name.
Aparna
Other
ma'am
nun.
and Shabana ma'am. Yo, right? Imagine Aparna ma'am and Shabana ma'am nuns.
Ma'am,
Take her vows, ne? Did not take her vows. But then she goes to a castle, and then there was one French guy, and then there was one father also. They three go to the castle, and then they see.
Oh, shush, Zombie. You're asking your mom or your Samiha to help you. Vampires getting ready in front of us. How cool is that?
And
I
then,
will eat you, zombie.
and then they see one chair, and then there was a skeleton on the chair, and then they ask, and then
The
they ask,
skeleton was Anas. Anas, where's Anas? Brilliant Anas was the skeleton. Where did he go now? Yeah. There
And
he
then-
is.
Ma'am, after the story, I have spooky riddles.
Okay, yeah, we'll have that. I know he's making his own story. Zombie! You have that all the time in the world, but we have less time. I need to have a
हो गया मैं खत्म हो गया मैं
हो गया लिट सर्कल में हिंदी बात करते हम लोग इससे क्या बेहतर हो सकता है वेल डन
I will eat you.
go on give me the final line zombie
when they asked it, and then all the lights on and off होता है मतलब all the fire on and off होता है, and then there the अरे रुक यार, and then there was a statue of Mary, and then the skeleton says Mary points the way to them. The Mary was like this, but then her finger was
Barry was who Barry who had a little lamp
no Christopher.
okay
Okay, then he was pointing like this, and then there was a wall, and then
This story will continue. You should
I
stop
know you know what record is this
The way Muhammad said it's not scary, it's funny story.
I know
He's
Mohammed
telling only, and he's telling in only one voice. He's not telling like slow and loud and scary at times.
and then the nun comes, and then the nun comes, and then the kids, and then story khatam, and then the nun two come, and the conjuring comes, and baad mein bataunga.
okay how many of y'all found this a scary story how many of y'all found this a humor story zombie
Ma'am, not at all. Not at all. Ma'am, we can see a horror movie.
the skeleton is not very very
Ma'am, it
happy
was
with
really funny. We want to see a horror movie.
Yeah. You want to see a horror movie? We don't have time. We'll have a horror movie later. Okay, definitely we'll see that.
Ma'am, can you show us slip
Humera, you're looking awesome. You're really looking scary. You know what, guys? I'll just share a PowerPoint with you all, and then we'll continue with the riddle. Until that time, you all be ready because I want a print screen. I want to take a picture of every one of you. Okay, and when I say I want that really ferocious, scary expression. Okay. All right. Have you all heard about Halloween as a festival? Yeah. How many of y'all have heard it?
And they do pranks also, and then they give candies also.
Yes. Okay. You know what exactly is Halloween? Okay. Halloween is actually a festival which is celebrated all over the world. Okay. And it is celebrated on the 31st of October. Now, why is it celebrated on 31st of October? Because they say it that on 1st of November, okay, it's All Saints Day. That they believe that All Saints Day, they celebrate all the saints that are there in the history. And because of that, they celebrate 31st October as a Halloween day. Why do you think they celebrate Halloween? What do they do? What is the concept behind Halloween? Does anybody know that?
And pranks and pranks.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Eating chocolates.
ma'am, but I
I
forgot.
think so
That's
at Halloween all the ghosts come out at that day.
And
And
ma'am, rest in peace. Like
Okay,
there is trick or treat.
okay. So you have
Yes,
rest
trick or
in
treat.
peace, trick or treat, and you have all the ghosts coming out.
ma'am,
Okay.
if in America or in England, like you are over here, so your neighbors
Yes.
will give you. Your neighbors will give you candies and chocolate, and you will have to give them chocolate.
Ma'am, I just like candies about Halloween.
Okay. Yes, Voldemort. Voldemort is not talking much. You know, he's casting his spell on us.
I can tell an example like on the cupcake we apply the white Colgate toothpaste and inside the Oreo we put the
Okay, I think.
So that's a trick. Yeah.
that's the
Okay. Okay. Right. What they used to do, you know, what they used to think, people used to think that if they dressed up, you know, as scary people, you know, they would wear scary costumes, right? So what would happen? They would stop any bad spirits from coming to them. That's one of the reasons they started celebrating Halloween Day and everybody started dressing up in a horror way, okay, in a scary costume. The reason for them to wear scary costume is so that when the real ghost comes and sees them, he can sketch and run away. Okay, so now if the ghost sees my right class, it's sure gonna run away. Okay, now children go about trick and treat. Now, what is trick and treat like? Even Ibrahim has said you had a concept of trick and treat. Okay, so in trick and treat, what do they do?
They collect candies in pumpkin baskets.
Yes, you know what? They go to each and every house, okay, and over there, when they go to every house, okay, they say trick or treat. So if you tell them treat, that means you give them some candies, or at times some people give chocolates or maybe some money. Or if you tell them trick, so they'll do something naughty with you, something mischievous with you. Like you all are expert in it. So that is what was trick and treat. Okay. So they have this concept like kids, they dress up as what?
It's called trick or treat.
Yeah, trick or treat. Yeah. And
Vampire
the kids-
witches and mummies like
yeah, they dress up like the way you all have dressed up, okay? And they go and knock at every house. And when the door is open, they
And you know, some people they wear different costumes and go to only one house and they get all the candy from that
yeah,
house.
I know, and who would do that from you all? That also now I came to know. It would be Bellatrix only who would do that, right?
No, ma'am.
Yeah, so that's the way they do it. And if they're not given treat, they're not given candies, then what happens? They start doing mischief. They do any kind of mischief, like what Deadly Vampire said, you know, on the cupcakes you put Colgate instead of any kind of topping or an icing. Okay. Now what else do we have in that? Right? They do carving of the pumpkins, okay? And that is again, they believe that the ghost and the evil bad spirits will run away. Okay.
Ma'am, Gutenberg also did.
See, you have your trick and treat, okay? Here the kids are dressed up, okay? Right? If you were to play a trick on people, what would your trick be? If you were to play a trick on somebody, what would
I
your
would
trick be?
give them a popcorn full so they can see the movie and eat. And inside of 2 to 3 popcorns, I will mix salt and a very kala miri and water.
Oh my
If
goodness!
they're watching movie, they will.
Ma'am, I would,
I want to speak.
ma'am,
Yes, yes.
I would do that. I will remove all the chocolates and just remove the covering of the chocolate little bit and wrap it on banana or something and put it back on and
Ew!
give it to them.
Disgusting. Yes, skeleton, tell me.
You know, I will make a theater that if people wants to come to see the horror movie, first they have to make up like a ghost and then come inside.
Okay. Zombie, you're going to cut the light. Okay. Skeleton, excellent. I like it. I like what you oh, they have to dress up. Okay. Yes, who else wants to tell me any kind of...
Ma'am, me.
Yeah, yeah.
Ma'am,
Bellatrix, I need the video on, please. I want everybody's videos on, please. Yeah.
ma'am, I would what do you say that? I will give them a juice, but in the middle of the juice, I will put a plastic cockroach, and then when they drink it, they will see it.
Ew, but not plastic. Let's put a real cockroach. Okay, we do that. Okay. Yeah, I was gifted. I think upon our whom did we gift a cockroach? If you remember, we had gifted to one of our friends.
I'm sure it was me because I'm the most scared of cockroaches.
Yeah, so I think we gifted her only a cockroach. Her birthday was there, and we decorated many gift boxes. And one by one, she opened all of them, and she's like, "Wow, lovely present, lovely present." And then in one box, we had all this, tissues torn into small pieces, and we kept a cockroach. And she removed the tissue, thinking that there would be something really nice in it, and out comes a real cockroach, and she's like, "Ah!" and she's running around. So even we had our share of tricks and treats. Yes, Ghost, you wanted to say something, please?
I want to say that I will
Ghost raised her hand. Pennywise, just a minute. Ghost raised her hand. Go on, Ghost.
Can you hear me? I'm going to tell a story about a man who was walking in the jungle alone. He was searching for his lost cricket bat, and then he was lost in the jungle. Then he saw a huge house, and then when he went in it, nobody was there. It was a haunted house. He knew that there were scary things in it, but he was not really scared. He went into the upper room, and yes, he went into a room, and he saw a ghost, and it was a black ghost.
So was it vampire or was it zombie? Was it Hamza or Muhammadi?
He did not get it because it was really blood.
Because it was beta.
So it must be vampire. Hamza. Yeah, Hamza. Give me a scary look, Hamza. Oh my God, he really looks scary. Yeah.
Ma'am, can I show the clip? Ma'am, can I show the
Yes,
clip?
Pennywise. Go on, Pennywise. Yes, Voldemort. I'll come to you then.
Ma'am, I will put cabbage and put a lollipop stick and then cover it with hot chocolate and then give it.
Yeah.
With sprinkles.
Voldemort, what about the
Ma'am,
trick?
instead of cabbage, I would put tomatoes.
Okay, but I like tomatoes. It's all right.
No,
I'll
but covered with chocolate. Disgusting.
I don't mind. Yes, Voldemort. What trick you would play? Homera, and the other Voldemort. Videos on, please. Skeleton, you really look scary. Your mom did an awesome thing at such short
I
time.
would tell them to give my trait in my basket, and then and someone will go behind them, and when they again going to shut the door, you'll bang.
Ooh, okay.
I'll
Yes,
take
missing girl.
gift box, and I'll take a chocolate wrapper, and I'll take onion and cover it with chocolate and put it into the wrapper and gift it. When they eat the chocolate, it will be actually onion.
Excellent. Okay, you know what? Now I want each one of you who
Ma'am,
hasn't sent me the picture. Aisha, just a minute. Who all hasn't sent me the picture? Ask your mom to click a picture and send it to me on my personal, not on the group, on my personal WhatsApp. Right? Your scary picture like this. Yes, Bellatrix, go on. Yeah, I know, Humera. I got it. Yes, Humera, go on. Bellatrix, go on.
Ma'am, I would prank my sister that before she woke up, I would hang a balloon on the wall, and on the balloon I would draw a Joker face, and when she woke up, then she would see it and she would get so scared.
Oh, you are naughty girl, right? You do
And
that
ma'am,
with your sister.
I will make gum balls. In that, I will put a metal ball, and then I'll tell the people to eat it, and then when they'll cut it, their teeth will hurt.
Excellent, excellent. You guys are all very clever. Yes,
Ma'am, you know what will make?
yes, Humaira, Humaira. Wait, let Humaira say she hasn't spoken. Yes, Humaira. Go on, Humaira.
I will take my sister. I will take Oreo and I will remove the cream and I will put it the Colgate and I will give to my sister.
Ooh, okay. Yes, Slappy, go on.
Ma'am, if we go and say trick or treat, so they can say trick. So what we should do is we will take a poll, we will take cheats, and we will on every cheat we will write treat and we will put it and we will say take one cheat and what the cheat says you have to do that. So every
So
cheat
it's
will be
treat.
treat. So we will get.
Treat. Excellent, excellent. Yes, Deadly Vampire. Then Hamza.
Ma'am,
Yeah, Voldemort first, then Deadly Vampire.
you know what will I'll take an egg, I'll put Hershey's over it, I'll put sprinkles and I'll give it to Adip to eat. He'll eat and the egg will fall.
Oh,
Can you repeat? I didn't hear.
Right.
Skeletons nail.
Okay, I want everybody's video on and give me a scary look. Yes, Deadly Vampire. Everybody's video on. Yes. Deadly Vampire, just go on.
Can I say?
Yeah, let Deadly Vampire say and then we have a scary look, everybody. Yeah.
Ma'am, I would take onions and I would dip them in the strawberry cream and put some sprinkles and make the eye of pumpkins and then I would pick some popsicle sticks and make it and give. When they eat, it will be onion and it will be so good.
Okay. Excellent. Aparna ma'am, what would you do?
I'm going to put a marble in a chocolate wrapper and give it to them. I'm going to, of course, dip it in chocolate and give it to them.
Yeah, that's a cool idea. Okay,
And
now
break all the
everybody,
teeth.
videos on, please. And a scary look. Everybody, come on, Voldemort, other on Voldemort. Where are you, Umar? Where's my?
Ma'am, I removed my makeup because my eye was aching because of it.
Okay, no problem. Bellatrix, come on. I'm just taking a print screen. I want a very scary. When I say 3, I want a scary look. No more talking at that time. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let me check how does it come and then we'll go for another one as well. Okay, excellent. Now I want one more. Okay, really mean looking as if you're going to zombie. You're ready to eat, you know? Yeah. Okay, give me another look, everybody. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. My goodness, you all are scary. Thank you so much. I really enjoyed. I really had a very great time. You all are awesome. You all
I want
do
to tell
makeup
something.
very well. Thank you. Yes, Anas, what you're saying, Anas? Sorry.
Don't remove your makeup. We will scare the outside.
Yeah, we do that. Don't remove your makeup. Sit the entire day like this. Okay, all of you. I love your idea. And I love it. You tell Dawood sir, trick or treat.
Ma'am, I'm feeling very hot.
Trick or treat. Make sure that he gives you all candies or he gives you an off. Otherwise, you all play tricks on him. Will you do that, all of you?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Trick Dawood sir and your teacher after that. 12 o'clock class also. Trick or treat. Do not remove your makeup and send me your pictures. Vampire, send me your picture. Okay, Hamza? Everybody love you all. Thank you to your parents for dressing you all like this. Love your stories. Yes, Aparna?
Thank you for inviting me. I had a great time.
Yeah. And that's
Bye-bye.
the market for you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Zumbi, good night.
Bye-bye.
Love you.
Bye, ma'am.